thing off of me! Gotta get this thing off!
Alright guys, I know you don't see my face, but my mom is sleeping and she has to go to work. Okay, then I had to turn my back. What is she doing? What is she doing? What the?
Harry, you do your homework? Harry, did you do your homework?
Yes!
Okay. What time is it?
7:35.
Oh.
What is she doing? Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go touch her and see what she's gonna do. Hope I don't drop this iPad.
What are you doing? What you doing?
Say hi to YouTube.
Get this thing off of me!